Hey everyone, my name is Rich. I work with GOTRAX. Last time you saw me, we were unboxing the Apex Red, but today we got ourselves something a little more special. We got the GMAX Ultra. Alright everyone, we got the GMAX Ultra unboxed here. It does come unlatched and with the brake line attached, so it saves you a little bit of time. We're going to show you how to attach the console to the tiller, how to work this folding mechanism, how to use the integrated lock right here, some troubleshooting and quick setup guides, as well as setup instructions for folding and the tiller console connection. You're going to get an air valve extender, the 4 screws and Allen wrench necessary to attach the console to the tiller, warranty information, and of course the charger. Probably the most important bit here, but please make sure you read the manual as well. Alright everyone, so now we are going to be attaching the console to the tiller. Put our valve extender aside, and grab our necessary parts. Make sure you don't lose any of these screws. Do not lose these, very important. Brake line is already attached, so you don't have to worry about it. But make sure you line up the specific part here with its connector right here. And make sure they line up properly so you can get this done the first time without any mess ups. There we go. And it's important that you fold this properly into the tiller so that the console does not cut it or damage the wire during riding or while you're installing this. It's very similar to a car wheel. You don't want to tighten one side too much at the same time. You want to tighten them evenly so that they go smoothly with the tiller and the console being connected securely. Alright, we got this bad boy unboxed. We did a little ride and we did a testing it out. Running smooth, bells working properly. We're going to go overviewing of all the scooter's wonderful features. Mainly our console and digital display, our manual lock right here, and the folding, not the folding mechanism, but rather the latch and the hook and latch system as well. Alright, first off, we're going to have our display here. So get that bad boy started up. Just hold right here. And then I'm going to ask you to input your digital code, which for each GMAX is a factory code of 3 zeros. So just up on just the, oh my goodness, buttons. You're going to want to hit the plus sign, hit the 0, and then swap by hitting the power button to the next number, 0, 0, and then double tap the power button when you have all zeros lined up on the screen. Level 1, if you want to get more speed but less battery life, you'll go up to level 2. Total mileage on the scooter, and as you're riding it'll show you how fast you're going as well as overall battery life. Our next feature we want to go over is our manual lock. It gives you a small metal cord that you'll be able to attach to, your bike racks or a fence like this one for a little added extra security. Pop out The lock from its holding socket extends until necessary. Might need to tighten this actually. There we go. And same as the digital lock up top, your manual lock will be all zeros on the factory reset. And it's secure.